Good evening everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be unboxing my Fevicryl acrylic pouring kit, and it's a nice compact kit which has all the required things for pour painting. And let's just start pouring. Yes, so this is the acrylic pouring kit, and I just received it today. They launched the product on Amazon, and it's a new product. It's just fairly 2 days old, and I've got it today. And I just thought I'll unbox the entire thing right here. So let's see what the entire thing has. It's got 3 colors. It's got a pouring medium, it's got silicone oil, and a leaflet or a booklet to tell you how you can work with pouring paints. So this is the kit, this is probably the booklet, and this gives you all the different pouring techniques, so you can just read through and try to work on all these different designs. Then we've got 3 colors, so that's coral red, then we've got black, and we've got yellow, and we've got a pouring medium. We've got 2 bottles of pouring medium. We've got some silicone oil. Oh, we've got 3 bottles of pouring medium, so that's nice. So let me just lay them out. So we've got 3 bottles of the pouring medium, we've got silicone oil, and we've got 3 beautiful colors. So this is the acrylic pouring kit, and we will try to use this today and see how we can work with this. So what we basically need for pour painting is we need a base canvas. Okay, so that's a base canvas which we will need, and we have to prepare the base canvas or whatever base color we have by using a coat of acrylic white paint. So now this is how an acrylic pour painting canvas looks like. So you have different colors which do not mix into one another. That is because we will be adding a pouring medium and silicone oil to the paints, and that lends it sort of a viscous nature and does not allow the colors to mix into one another. So that's the basic science behind all this. So it's just that when we put in a pouring medium, it retards the velocity or the speed in which the paints blend into one another, and the silicone oil helps in the formation of small cells. So you get all these small paint cells. So this is because of the silicone oil that we add to the paints, and that is just the science behind pour painting. So to decide on what colors you want to add on your canvas, a basic understanding of the color triangle is very helpful. So now in this pack we've got 3 colors. So to understand how we can use other colors, it's very simple. So we've got red and we've got yellow. So if you're going to mix red and yellow, we'll get an orange. So that's our 3rd color. And when we work with all these colors by mixing and trying to make new shades, we can try different patterns and different we can get different results on our canvas. And so that's how you can decide the colors for pour painting. And to select colors, Fevicryl has a very huge range of different colors. So there's a lot to choose from, and you can even try making your own colors by mixing one with the other. And you can make huge masterpieces for your house on canvas. You can try this on a lot of surfaces, and I just think that the colors are so beautiful. It has a very nice glazed sort of a finish. So I think this is going to look lovely once it dries. And I absolutely love the cells that have been formed. So this kit is just something that I guess all of you enthusiasts, art enthusiasts who would want to try pour painting should get a hold of these kits. And I will be leaving a link to purchase these kits in the description section. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yes, that's about it. Thank you.